Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix downloading necessary game data not working in Mortal Kombat Mobile. So first of all, you need to open Play Store app on your device, and then search for this app here. Once you're on this page, simply tap on this uninstall button, and then tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and once it's uninstalled, you need to go to your device settings, and then scroll all the way down to apps, and tap on it. From here, search for this app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Storage or Data. Now go back to this page and tap on this three-dot icon in the top right corner and then tap on Uninstall Updates. Once you're done with it, you need to head back to Play Store app and then again search for this app here. Once you're on this page, simply tap on this Install button to install it back on your device. Hopefully this will fix the issue. And if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.